Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to monetize YouTube channel 2025, a complete walkthrough. So you want to start earning money from YouTube in 2025. In this walkthrough, I'll show you step by step how to monetize your channel, from the requirements to earn monetization to multiple income streams you can try on your YouTube account. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Your first step would be to simply open up your browser. So go ahead and open up your browser and simply log on to YouTube Studios. So open up your browser, log on to studios.youtube.com. Once you're here, make sure you're signed into your account and you are the owner of this channel and you have access to the email, as we're going to be doing some stuff using your email. All right, so the requirements for monetizations are the requirements for monetization are simple. Just simply head over to the earn section at the bottom of your screen. So using this slider, scroll till you find earn. And you can see here, we'll check if your channel follows YouTube monetization policies. If everything looks good, you're in. So now, in order to be part of the YouTube Partner Program, which is basically the YouTube monetization program, you need at least 1,000 subscribers and up to 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months, or 10 million short views in 90 days. So in the past 6 months, in the past 3 months, you're going to need at least 10 million views on your YouTube shorts in order to, you know, apply for monetization. Now, you can use the learn more option to simply apply for monetization. You're going to be writing a letter to YouTube telling them or requesting for monetization as you are up to standard or up to the requirements to get monetized. All right, so you also need two-step verification enabled and no active strikes on your accounts. So avoid posting adult content on your account or anything that will cause YouTube to strike or give you a YouTube strike on your account. Alright guys, so how can you apply for YouTube monetization? It's basically, as I mentioned earlier, you're going to need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Once you do so, you would find the apply option here instead of get notified. So instead of want to know when you're eligible, you would find something like you are eligible, apply now, and you should be able to apply for monetization. All right, so once you've applied for monetization, how can you generate revenue inside of your YouTube partnership program? You can do this by applying the ad revenues. So where we have, your display, simply display some ads on your channel, across your channel or across your video. You could ask YouTubers, that's the subscribers, to simply pay for channel memberships. That's your fans would pay monthly for perks. Super chat and super stickers. Your viewers would support you in your live stream. Super thanks. Your fans would tip you. These are the little things you can do. We have it underneath here in supers. Super chat, super stickers help you engage with your community. You can ask them to pay membership fees to be part of your membership program, and apply for or position short ads so you can earn from ads between your shorts and from YouTube premium subscribers watching your shorts in the shorts feed. We also have the watch page ad, so you can earn from ads on or around your videos from YouTube premium subscribers watching your videos on the watch page. All right. And you can also connect your online store. So if you own an online store like Shopify, you can simply connect your Shopify to your YouTube Studios account and simply monetize yourself through that option, gain revenue through people buying stuff from your store, basically your merchant stuff. All right, so monetization outside of the YouTube partnership program is possible by simply making use of affiliate marketing. In one of our channels or in one of our videos, I talked a bit about that, but I'm still going to rephrase or say it again. You could add affiliate links in your video descriptions or in your video titles so that people can kind of like click on your link and be part of the affiliate program or simply buy stuff using your affiliate links. You could gain sponsorships and brand deals with companies all like the Samsung and iPhone companies. You could gain brand sponsorships with them. You could sell merchandise on your platform using your link. You could sell digital products like books, t-shirts, NFTs, and also raise up crowdfundings and Patreons. All right. So, a pro tip for monetizing faster: focus on a niche. Make sure you have your videos doing numbers in your dashboard. Simply head over to your dashboard and select content, and make sure you're always uploading. Make sure you're always making and sending out videos, and people are simply watching your videos and getting excited to watch your videos. So, create searchable content that solves problems. Basically, you could also post consistent shorts like movies, thrillers, all this stuff, and simply build a strong community. And then and then your engagement will lead to more opportunities. So, guys, a recap: to monetize your channel in 2025, and just basically hit the requirements, which is 1,000 subs and 4,000 watch hours, and then apply for the YouTuber program, and then expand with your ads and memberships. All right, guys. So comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.